Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. Happy Freebie Friday, budget friends. We are going to start our savings challenges for my birthday savings. So I'm just going to pull these out of here and set them up. I do want to kind of keep them in order on the table just because the money in the envelope behind the savings challenge does match. So let's see if we can keep them in order. These savings challenges you can find in my Ko-Fi shop and a bunch more. I made a ton. I am trying to, I had a little conversation with myself. I said, so it's not necessary to make a bunch of savings challenges that look like you, but it's such an easy way to make savings challenges, the prompts, and then you don't have to worry about copyrights and you know, things, images looking identical to other ones or similar to other ones, because it's me, Jessica. When it's images of me, I don't have to worry about that because it's my face, it's my likeness, and I feel like this, if anybody wants to use my image, look, I mean, within reason, appropriately, I don't mind at all, but I just thought it's really easy to make them. So I'm trying to make other ones. I did come up with a couple of different ideas for savings challenges that don't look like me, but they are in the shop and I've released a few other ones, so we will continue making those. Anyway, if you are interested in these savings challenges, there is a Silynthia budgets listing in my Ko-Fi. Alright, so I grabbed my dice and I grabbed my marker, and I think, oh, I have two $5 bills, and I think I have change. Let's see, 1, 2. That one has a 5, 3. Okay, let me check. Sorry, I'm moving it off to the sides as to not mess up my setup here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we will. Should we do a? Maybe we'll do a spicy 5. I think we'll leave that 5. We'll do one spicy. Yes. Okay. So this one it only needs 6. So maybe we can get that one done. If not today, next week we are actually going to be unstuffing our Freebie Fridays because it is the last Freebie Friday before my birthday. So there's that. Alright, before I get ahead of myself, we need to count this cash. We have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. I have $25, which is a little bit more than I think I originally wanted to put into my Freebie Fridays. I found a couple bucks along the way. Now let's roll the dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's what we're working with. And we got a 5. We got 1, 6, 4, 3. All right, 2. Where are you at? 4. Get to 5. 3. Come on, 2. 2. I'm gonna let it count. Usually I would just re-roll, but 6. All of my savings challenges got some moolah. 4. 2. 3. 1. 5. 1. 5. 2, 1, 6, 5. Yes. Okay. So now that we've gotten that taken care of, let's move our savings challenges, and I do have to keep them in order now. Before it wasn't really all that necessary to do so, but because the money is in this particular order, we want to make sure we're taking care of that. All right, so we're adding $1, 2, 3, $4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, which looks like we should have a total of 5. You know what? I need to let this dry, so we'll come back to once they dry. 1, 2, 3. We're adding 3 here. 1, 2, 3. Got 1, 2, 3. Ooh, this one's pretty close. I was hoping to at least finish 1. I mean, really, it doesn't matter. Whatever I save is what I'm stuffing for my birthday. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. All right, this one got the spicy 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's add 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Look how close. Ooh. That's exciting. All right, this one's getting 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, now I'm going to actually see, hopefully they're dry, how much each of them have. It's not really necessary to count them up, but I do want to know. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh. Billie Jean, let's see how much this one has. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is only my second birthday Freebie Friday cash stuffing, and we are doing so well. Hopefully next week I can come up with a little bit more cash. I did take a couple days off last week, so there's that. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $10. Next up we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Wow. All right, and my last savings challenge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. $8. Yay! So exciting. I did decide that I'm just going to go ahead and go to bingo. I don't see myself saving enough money to make a trip all the way to the casino. It is quite a ways away from me, and it's not something just jump in the car and up the street and go. So I think I might go to bingo. That way I don't have to use the money for gas or something like that. I haven't decided if I'm going to go like grab something to eat, because you know on your birthday you can get freebies. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I'm trying to sort through that and figure it out. Also, I did mention that I'm trying to figure out if I'm going to actually take my birthday off, which I do every year. So this will be the first year in a very long time that I haven't taken it off. But I know that I need August 27th off. That is my oldest son's birthday, and he's in heaven. So I don't want to be at work dealing with those feelings, and I've made a promise to myself that I would do everything within my power to not be at work on that day every year until I feel like it's something that I can do. And I don't know, I kind of just like having that day. It's still a celebration because he came into this world on that day. And so anyway, I think we've done everything we need to do. I'm going to try to come back next week. I did mention I took I took 2 days off last week. So I'm sorting through to figure out the money and see how I'm going to make things work. So there's that. But that's it for now, guys. So I want to thank you all so much for stopping by. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.